Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to turn off a VPN on Android phone in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to turn off a VPN in Android device from settings? There are two ways to turn a VPN off, depending on whether the VPN was added through the Settings app or if you're using any third-party VPN services app. Here's how to turn a VPN off from the Android Settings app. Open Settings. Tap Network and Internet. On some devices, this is called Network and Internet or Connections. Select VPN. You'll need first to select Advanced, More Connection Settings, or More Networks on some Android devices. Tap the VPN that says Connected. Then select Disconnect. How to disable a VPN in Android using VPN app? Another method to disable a VPN in Android is more straightforward, as you can simply tap or toggle off the VPN switch in the app. So, follow the basic steps you need to take to disable a VPN on your device via the ExpressVPN app. Open the ExpressVPN app on your Android. You'll see a big toggle button that says Connected underneath. Tap it once. It will say Not Connected. The VPN will be disabled, and you will be connected to the internet without using a VPN. So, this is all about how to turn off VPN on Android phone using two methods. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.